So hello my lovelies, I hope you are doing great. So in this video we are going to solve for this problem where we need to calculate the shaded area. The entire figure is already shaded and this figure is particularly a semicircle. So in order to find its area we need to calculate the radius of the semicircle. So let's see how we're gonna do that. Let's just name the figure first of all. I have named the figure as ABCD. Here we can see we have this triangle. Now this triangle is nothing but a right angle triangle, right? If I'm going to name this side of this triangle BC as X, what I'm going to do, I'll be calculating the value of X first using the theorem which is Pythagorean theorem. Now using Pythagorean theorem, I can write that 1 square plus x square is equal to root 10 square, which on simplification will give me 1 plus x square is equal to 10 and x square is going to be 9, which on further simplification will give me x as 3. Now what else we can do? We solved for x, we have this figure. We do have one more theorem which is Thales theorem, which says if ABC are the distinct point on a circle where the line AC is the diameter, then ABC is going to be a right angle. So similarly here AC is representing the diameter of the semicircle. Therefore, this ADC angle is going to be right angle. Then my updated figure will look like this. So now we have this angle ADC as a right angle and I named this part AB as Y. So in order to calculate Y, we do have one more theorem which is right angle altitude theorem, which says the square of the altitude to the hypotenuse equal to the product of the segments. Here square of the altitude is h, so h square is equal to p into q. So applying this theorem on this triangle, we can write 3 into y is equal to 1 square, where 3 is nothing but the value of the x. We have already solved for x, right? So what I'm going to get, that 3y is equal to 1 and my y is going to be 1 by 3. So now what else? We have this figure, we have solved for x, we have solved for y. Therefore, the diameter of the semicircle is going to be x plus y, right? If I'm going to substitute the value, I'll be getting 3 plus 1 by 3, and on simplification, this would be 10 by 3. We have the diameter, we can solve for the radius because radius is going to be the half of the diameter. So it is going to be 5 by 3. So we have the radius of the semicircle. Now using this radius, we can solve for the shaded region area. We know the area of the semicircle is pi r square by 2. Now using this formula, my shaded area will be pi by 2 into 5 by 3 square, which on simplification will become pi by 2 into 25 by 9, which on further simplification will give me 25 pi upon 18 square unit as my area for the shaded region. So that's the answer for your shaded region. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.